Hey there, IDK Fred here. It's like 5 in the morning, and I need to get a jacket ready for work, and I got this in the mail yesterday, so here we go. We're going to use this one. It's a WenVen. It's a military-style jacket. It looks a little poofy on the inside. It's got the fake inside lining kind of stuff that's poofy. That should make it nice and soft and warm. I ordered it in a medium size so it fits snugly against my body. We'll see if it does. I don't know. It does feel a little big, but yeah, so here we go. Let's open it up. Well, that was easy. Okay, there we go. WenVen. I don't know, maybe it's a little bit too big or poofy for work. And it is 100% cotton. The lining is 100% polyester. And they sent me an extra large. But it's a size medium. It's a UK large, a US medium. But right here on this tag, see if we can see these. Okay, it says medium on this tag right here. But if you look at that little white tag over here, it says extra large, or 3 extra large. I don't know. Let's open it up and try it. Okay. Wow. Yeah, it looks a little big. Let's see if we can find a tag in here. So we've got this one that calls it a medium, but okay, it is medium. I don't know, maybe I should have gone with small. It looks nice, it feels nice. The inside lining is very soft, right here, down through here, and then that continues, no, it doesn't quite continue into the arms. In the arms you just have that polyester lining right there. And then this edge stretchy sleeve. Said one of these pockets was fake, so that one's a real one here up on the top left. Top right one. No, that's a real one. Which one's my fake decorative that has no point on being in a jacket like this? Yeah, that's a real pocket. Okay, real pocket. Stitching overall, I have heard a couple things in the comments about it being a little iffy. And the only thing I am seeing so far about the stitching is that we do have a couple of loose threads right here at the bottom. But beyond that, I'm not seeing anything to say that there's a problem with it. Let's unzip it all the way and take a look on the inside. Yeah, this jacket may be a little too big to wear to work. We'll see. Okay. A couple people were complaining. Oh! That's the pocket. We got an inside pocket right here on the inside left breast section right here. Pocket. Then we got one on the right. No. No pocket on the right to match. Sad. So at least we have one inside pocket. Nice. We have a little hook loop here. Feels sturdy. A couple people complained that it was ripped out in the stitching on the inside of these areas. It doesn't look ripped out in the stitching. No, it doesn't look perfect on some of it, such as by this pocket. Yeah, there is a couple loose stitches, but it's not bad looking. Not bad enough that I would return it. at all. It's a decent looking coat this side, no problem here. A couple people said they received it with rips in this polyester right here. That is not what I'm seeing, so I'm going to throw this on now and see how it fits. Okay, no, actually that, everybody complains of long arms on it, but that fits really well on my arms, on a medium. And I'm running out of time before work here. My camera is angled very odd. I could stand in the middle. There we go, I'm in the middle. Then we've got these to tie in, around the waist. Let's see how well it fits zipped up. Wait, is the shoulder... It's a real pocket too! Yes! We can close it. You're closed. No real pocket on the left, so we've got a real pocket here on the left, no real pocket on the right. Yes, I know, left and right. Screw it. Okay. Yeah. Don't really like that. I don't know, that goes right up underneath my chin, if you can see that, and then I say, yeah. Otherwise, it feels okay up to there. I would just want it just below there, like a collar, kind of. It's just a little odd. Then right here, you can undo that one. There is loose stitching here on this left one, just a hanging out thread. Just not clean cut. It's not like it's loose coming apart, so it's okay. And just another one right here, same spot, same thing. It does feel a little bit nice and warm, and that folds over right there. That one comes undone too. Lots of lovely little bits like that. Then here on our shoulders, we have a hat. So then, this is good to cover up your neck, I guess, when you want to go full Eskimo style. I don't know, just full covered. And then this, can we button it? Yes, yes we can. Then we can button down our entire front, I believe. Ow! Okay, and then you can cinch in your middle right here. Some little bow tie or something. I don't know, it feels odd undoing it. Little leather pieces, caps, to cover... No, where's the other one? Aha! Okay, so each side of these has these little leather caps to cover the edges. And it does fit very nice on the arms. The body is a little bit big in the middle here. The bottom actually fits fairly okay. You can't really see it here, but it does fit okay on me. So it's just the middle. It's a little too big. They're expecting you to be a little bit bigger, but I'm not. But that's why they have that cinch in, and then it can fit nice like this. So I like the look of it. I don't need the hood on right now. Oh wait, can we undo the hood? Yes, there's a hood zipper. Yeah. Maybe. By the way, the reason I'm getting another jacket is my other one got stolen. Well, I know who stole it. I know where it is. and I know why they stole it. I think I'll let them keep it. They like snuggling with it. Well, I cannot get that hood one undone. I'm going to have to take the jacket off, take the hood off. I'm not taking the hood to work. I will look ridiculous. Ah, now I can hear myself again. I could not. And I'm really, really out of time. Okay, so we have a hood zipper hiding underneath right here. Yeah, come on. Oh, of course. We've got some little plastic piece. It's just hanging on here. Come on. Got nothing to cut it with. Well, I got a lot of knives. Ooh, that'll work. Fingernail clippers. Okay, no wonder it wasn't coming undone. They put a piece of plastic to keep it from coming off. And then, ta-da! So here's our hood. It's actually a fairly thin hood. It's just supposed to be really soft and cozy because it fits very snug over my head here. Yeah. So I'm going to throw this to the side. I'm going to put this back on. Ooh, I really like this jacket. I really like the look of it, the feel of it. And though the arms don't have the same soft stuff that's here on the inside lining, they don't feel too bad, they're not too loud. I don't like the plasticky feel, that's why I got this material feel. I don't like plasticky jackets all that much, but that's just me. Yes, this will soak faster in the snow, but I don't care. Well, I think we're keeping the jacket. We're going to take this off. Nope, we're not going to break it that way. Fingernail clippers again. Ta-da. Yeah, I think this is well worth the purchase. I'll try it out this winter, and maybe I'll do a review on it later. But for now, I like it. Even if this neck one is trying to choke me, just a little. And they think I'm fatter than I am. Okay. There we go. Now I'm gonna go have fun at work in the cold. Kind of, ish. I don't know. Not with this jacket, I won't be cold. I'll probably be hot. Nope, there is a loose thread right here. Or is that a hair? Nope, that's a thread. So there is a couple loose threads here and there. But it's okay overall. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more random stuff like this. And as always, I don't know. I really hope I'm in view. I am missing a light over here on this side of my room right now, and I have yet to replace it. My last month has been very busy, and that's why I haven't got videos out. Also, I just barely passed 500 subs, so thank you for the 500 subs. There should be another video before this one comes out. I'm filming these the same day. This one early in the morning, the next one's going to be late in the day. And it's going to be a pepper challenge, habaneros. See how many habaneros me and my buddy can get through if he shows up. I will provide ice cream. I was going to do a pool if I got like 4 or 5 friends and be like, okay, y'all put $5 or $10 in and whoever eats the most wins all the money. But they all kind of like, nope, I'm not gonna, I don't want to die. So it's just going to be me and my buddy, and he thinks he's going to be okay. I don't think he is. It's going to be funny. But as always, I don't know. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more random stuff like this. And as always, I already said I don't know. Yeah, see ya.